You want to improve your English but don't know where to start from? You know a lot of English words but have a hard time making sentences in English? You know why? The reason is you don't learn common sentence patterns. Do you? These patterns are set as basic units for you to make much more correct sentences in English. And if you master just one common pattern, you can make 100 of correct sentences. This is the easiest way to make sentences in English. So, let's begin. How often do you? When asking this, you are inquiring how often or how frequent someone does a particular thing. हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं अक्सर आप ये कब करते हैं, right? For example, how often do you exercise? आप अक्सर exercise कब करते हो? How often do you take tea in a day? आप अक्सर चाय कब लेते हो? How often do you change your password? Or how often do you go to gym? Let's see the another one. I would rather plus verb. Here you are suggesting you would like to do or prefer one thing more than another. जब आपके पास दो options होते हैं और आपको उसमें से कोई एक prefer करना होता है. For example, I would rather exercise than sit on the couch. Or I would rather eat at home than eat fast food. Or we can say, I would rather purchase iPhone than Android. Or I would rather play hockey than football. Next comes, I promise not to, and after this we use first form of the verb. For example, I promise not to tell, or I promise not to be late. I promise not to hurt your feeling. Now here you are stating that you will not do a particular thing again. आप यहाँ ये बता रहे हैं कि ये चीज़ आप वापस repeat नहीं करेंगे. So we use I promise not to and then first form. Next comes, it's too bad that. That bad means regrettable or unfortunate. When using it in a sentence, you are expressing a concern or regret for what has taken place. For example, it's too bad that she lost her job, or it's too bad that she got hurt, or we can say it's too bad that you missed this chance. It's gonna be plus adjective. You are informing someone that something is going to be like, for example, it's gonna be delicious or it's gonna be easy. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना होने वाला है तो आसान होने वाला है. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be exciting. Exciting होने वाला है. Or it's gonna be tough. Let's see the next one. That's why plus subject plus verb. Here you are telling someone that because of this or therefore means इसकी वजह से. For example, that's why people admire you. तभी लोग तुम्हें पसंद करते हैं. That's why she works hard. तभी वो मेहनत करती है. That's why I get up early. Or you can say, that's why you failed. So take time to learn all these following lessons and you will improve your spoken English very quickly. And remember that deep learning is the key to English fluency. So you should learn each lesson deeply before moving to the next one. Finally, if you find this lesson useful, please share it with your friends and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.